Hello everyone, welcome back to our second session of our learning today, right? So as you know already, for the first session you study already, right? From our lesson, right? So right now let's move on to our second session for today. That for second session today, teacher want you to have like our Hangout1 on your table right now, right? Okay, so before we start, teacher want you to open your book on page 9 for today. That today we will move on to the new lesson or the new page that we talk about some words that you need to know, right? Okay, so now let's look on our whiteboard in here, everyone. So for today, teacher want you to continue. So today, teacher want you to continue our lesson that we talk about welcome on page 9, right? That for today, teacher have vocabulary for you that you need to know that we talk about shape, right? So as you know already, the shape we have many, right? But in our textbook for today, teacher have 5 words that related with shape for you that you need to know, okay? So right now let's look at the first one. Is number 1 is triangle. Triangle. The second one is rectangle. Rectangle. The third one is square. Square. The number 4 is diamond. Diamond. And the last one, number 5 is circle. Circle. So right now let's repeat after teacher again. Triangle, rectangle, square, diamond, circle, right? Okay, so here is the picture that related with our word for today. So this one we have 3, okay, shape of drawing. This one we call it triangle, and rectangle is long a little bit, right? Square look like square also, but it's long a little bit. And square is you can see like this, and diamond and circle, right? So here is the picture that related with our word in here. So in here we call it shape. Shape, right? So shape we have triangle, rectangle, square, diamond and circle, right? Okay, so right now let's open your book with teacher all together, everyone. Okay, so here is our page 9 that we have exercise G that you need to read and color, then write the number. So what happened with our exercise in here? So you need to look at this box first. So in this box we have a shape, so many kind of shape that you can see, like circle, rectangle, triangle or diamond, right? Okay, so before you do our exercise in here, you need to look and count the picture in here that related with shape. And in here we have the shape also in our sentence. And after that they put like this. Number 1, color the what? What is this? So this one is rectangle or square? Good. So this one is square, right? So circle the square red. So how many square? So you need to count in here how many. So square we have 1, 2 and 3, right? So we have 3 square. So I need to use your color. To color in here is color red, and after that you need to write in here is 3, right? Okay, so how many square is 3, right? Okay, so we need to write the word number 3, and after that you use your color to go color on our picture in here that related with square, right? Okay, and number 2, color the what? The color the circle blue. So where is the circle? Here, right? So here is circle. So how many circle? So now let's count with teacher. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we need to write in here how many circles. So our circle we have 5, right? Okay, so we have 5 circle. So when you count 5 circle already, you need to use your color blue to color on our picture circle, right? Okay, now let's move on to number 3. Circle the what? Here the triangle, right? So circle the triangle yellow. So how many triangles? So where is the triangle, everyone? Good. So here is the triangle. So let's count the teacher. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we have 4 triangle, right? So we need to write the word 4. So 4 triangle in here, you need to color, that one is color yellow, right? Okay, now let's move on to number 4. Color the what? The diamond. So color diamond is color purple. So how many diamond? Let's count. 1. Only 1, everyone? Good. So we have only what? Only 1, right? So 1 diamond in here, we need to color purple, right? So in here, how many diamond is 1, right? Okay, so now let's move on to number 5. How many rectangle? So let's find rectangle. 1, 2. Only 2, everyone. Good. So we have only 2. This one and this one, right? So we need to color rectangle is color green. So how many rectangle is what? How many, everyone? 2, right? Okay, so here is our answer that related with our exercise G. So after you finish complete in here, you need to take out your color and you need to count in here, and after that you need to color, right? Okay, so right now let's move on to our question in here. Let's practice with each other. So number 1, how many square? 3. Number 2, how many circle? So we have 5, right? And number 3, how many triangle? So we have 4. And number 4, how many diamond? So we have 1, right? And number 5, how many rectangle? So we have 2, right? Okay, everyone. So now it's time for our lesson for today, and I hope that you get our lesson, and if you have any question you can ask teacher in our group, right? So now it's time for our session today. Goodbye everyone, and see you again tomorrow.